Have you mentioned that top companies like Google, Amazon, Walmart, all of them are starting to adding AI to their operation? As you can see, this is not the hype, but real revolution to boost your business. But the question is coming, how regular business owners like you and us can add different AI tools to their operation that can help us to grow our business and reduce the cost. Let's talk about that in this specific video on this YouTube channel, BizDNA, where we are encoding the growth of business. So are you ready to get started with this video? Let's go. Okay, and before starting this video, we wanted to encourage you, first of all, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel BizDNA, where over 1.5 million subscribers joined to our community, and follow our newsletter, where over 50,000 different ambitious professionals and business leaders from different companies all around the world join to our newsletter to get more information how you can grow your business with the different information from BizDNA. So let's get started with this video, and first thing first, let's talk about 4 different technology revolutions which happened in the past, in the history, in our humankind, to see how the progress went on. And question will be, is right now the 4th revolution right now with AI? And the first revolution came to the historically over 10,000 years ago, when we had agriculture revolution. At that time started growing different cities, and this is where population also started to grow on our planet, and as I said, different city format. And also, as I mentioned, it happened approximately 10,000 years ago. So this was first one, agriculture revolution. The second one, revolution, happened approximately 200 years ago in the 19th centuries, where it came industrial revolution. This is where the biggest switch came from the manual labor to the factories, where they used steam and later on electricity to create products. And again, industrial revolution became a super popular one and very big impact for growing business and for our humankind and all. This is this is the second number 2. The third one, revolution, is digital revolution, which started approximately at the end of the past century, approximately from 1970s, where the internet came to online, right, and the rise of the computers, and where there became very big switch from simple distribution of information to the digital one. So right now we are still in this digital revolution, but it's coming to the peak. And in my opinion, right now we see the 4th one, which is AI revolution. Why that? Because again, it's remind us, as we had with industrial one, when we had the switch from the manual labor to the factories, to the productions. The same is right now with AI revolution, when before we used manual work for completing different tasks online. Now we are using AI, which can complete different tasks for us online and help us to speed and to make production of information even faster. So we coming to the end of this right now. So we have, as I said, 4 revolution, and right now we are at the beginning, in my opinion, of the 4th one. So question right now is coming, okay, now with all this information, how we can use AI, because right now we are at the beginning of the AI revolution for growing any business. So how it can help to our business. And very shortly, right now at this stage, we can see that we can use for 4 different areas. The first one is really very simple one with content creation, right? With content creation, if before we needed to use some different freelancers or in staff workers which can create content for us, right now, for example, with ChatGPT, right, we can create so many different type of content. There are some other tools also where you can create images and even now videos, so it can really reduce a lot of funds for your company and to speed up your company really very fast when you will use content creation for your business. Which tool to use it, I will show you at the end of this video. Let's continue on because we are coming to the second number one. Okay, we created this content. Okay, a question is coming, what is next? How we can use it even more efficiently, and how we can, again, to speed up our process. And this is where we can use AI for social marketing, right? We can connect our social different accounts and say that to our AI tools that, hey, now you need to post to all those social accounts right now we're using this content. So if before we needed to have some staff member, now it can do automatically, and again it can save a lot of funds for your company. The third one, which we can use it right now, because again in the future I believe that more and more tools will come which can do different things, but I'm speaking at this moment. And the third thing which we can do is support management system. Support management system, if before we needed to have to hire some virtual assistant or some support managers, even outsource it to Philippines or to India, right now AI can do it perfectly 24/7, and it can answer to very basic questions from the customers, and even right now to the complex one with AI tools. And the fourth one, which I believe is also you can use it right now, is what we are calling AI agents. So basically your team can hire virtual AI assistant which can do different tasks for you. It can be different one. It can be legal advisor, it can be CEO manager, it can be social advisor, marketing advisor. So different type of them, and even you can hire AI agent like a coder, which can be a programmer, which can code for you and create different codes for you. Yes, it is still a little bit at the early stage, but if you will type and you will use it for your company, you can see it is really efficient one and at a very low cost. Okay, so if you will start to use AI for your company, for this, as I showed it to you as an example, for 4 different ideas, first of all, you can reduce a lot of time and a lot of funds for your company. In my opinion, you can reduce minimum like $100,000 per year for content creation, social marketing, support management system, AI agents. So all of those one can save you tons of money. Secondly, it can give you boost comparing to competitors, to other companies on the market which didn't started yet on not using those tools. So right now we are coming to the one biggest question right now. Okay, which tool to use it for doing all of that? And the answer is really a very complex one. It depends which one you will like it or not like it, because even right now you can start to use ChatGPT, right, for content creation, but you will need to use another tool for social marketing, another tool for for support management, another one for AI agents. So it's like there are so many tools online right now, and they are not bad, but again, if you started to use different ones, it's a little bit complicated. So we found one tool which is really cool one, and we highly recommend to use them, because in my opinion they are very cool, because they combine all of them in under the one roof. And this is the name is Biz with AI. Why we like it? Because again, they have AI driving content creation, social media management, automated customer support, and again, you can see that you can stand your team with 32 different AI agents and coders. And again, I agree with them that you can save like up to 100K per year with using those tools. And let me show you a really quick example right here. Just example. Here with content creation, you can use different templates, right? For example, social media posts, Instagram hashtag tags, song lyrics, and so on. So there are many templates right here. You can create AI images right here and generate it directly from this panel. You can transfer and change your audio to text, or opposite way to make voiceover from your text, right, with this panel. And cool, right here there are like 32, as you can see, different AI agents. For example, SEO specialists, social media ones, e-commerce one, legal advisors, and different programmers, for example, like PHP programmer or cybersecurity specialist. So all of them are, as you can see, under one roof. And moreover, you can also right here use social media management and customer support. Everything is under one roof. Now you don't need to have knowledge about prompt engineering or some coding. Everything is very simple one, starting to use it, and really cool. So let's summarize this video. Again, we are at the beginning of the fourth revolution right now with AI. Right, we can use AI for 4 different areas: for content creation, social marketing, support management, AI team members for your company, and those areas will save you time and a lot of funds, and you can grow your company really fast with that. Basically, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our BizDNA club, where over 50,000 different ambitious professionals and business leaders join us every week. We are sending cool information how you can grow your company and your business. Again, thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.